Well, the last topic was list slicing. Today I am going to start with list manipulation. List manipulation means you can perform various operations on list such as appending, updating, deleting, etc. So first one is appending. Appending means with the help of append function you can add a single item to the end of the list. Syntax is l dot append item. If l is equal to 10, 12, 14, then l dot append 16 will add the item 16 at the end of the list and give the output 10, 12, 14, 16. So with the help of append function you can add a single item to the end of the list. Second one is updating element to a list. Updating element to a list means you can able to change the value in the list. Here syntax is l index is equal to new value. So with the help of index you can able to change the value. If l is equal to 10, 12, 14, 16, l2 is equal to 24, so you are going to change the value of l2. Here 10 is l0, l1, l2, so you are going to change the 14 and 14 is replaced by 24 and give the output 10, 12, 24, 16. So with the help of index you can able to change the value. Syntax is l index is equal to new value. Now move to the next slide. Third, deleting element from a list. So with the help of del statement you can be able to delete the element from the list, and there are three ways to delete the element. First, del list index, it will delete the element according to the index. Second, del list start colon stop, it will delete the element according to the slice. Third, del list, it will delete all the elements and the object also. So here are three ways to delete the elements from the list. For example, l is equal to 1 to 20 in a square bracket. If you write del l 10 colon 15, so it will delete the element from the index 10 up to index 15 and return 1 to 10, then 17, 18, 19, 20. So in this way it will delete the elements. So there are three ways to delete the element from the list. Now making true copy of a list. So with the help of assignment operator you cannot make a true copy, but assignment makes the two variable point to the same memory allocation. So with the help of assignment operator you cannot be able to make a true copy. If you write color is equal to red, blue, green and b is equal to color, then both variable point to the same memory allocation, it will not make a true copy. If you want to make a true copy, then you have to write b is equal to list color. In this way you can create a true copy. Here both the variable pointing to the different memory allocation. So here both the variable are pointing to the different memory allocation. In this way you can create a true copy. Syntax is b equal to list color. Now move to the next slide. Now list function. First function is index. This function returns the index of first matched item from the list. Syntax is list dot index item. For example, l is equal to 13, 18, 11, 16, 18, 14. Then l dot index 18 will return the index of first 18, that is 1. So this function returns the index of first matched item from the list. Second, append. Append add a single item to the end of the list. Syntax is list dot append item. For example, color is equal to red, green yellow, and if you write color dot append blue, it will add blue to the end of the list and give the output red, green, yellow, blue. So append add a single item to the end of the list. Now extend. Extend is used for adding multiple items to a list. Syntax list dot extend list. For example, L1 is equal to ABC, L2 is equal to D comma E. If you write L1 dot extend L2, it will add all the items of L2 in L1 and give the output ABCDE. So with the help of extend function, you can add multiple items to the end of the list. And the difference between append and extend is that append adds single items to a list and extend can add multiple items to a list. Now move to the next slide. Now fourth, insert function. The insert function insert an item at a given position with the help of syntax list dot insert position comma item. So here you need a position and an item. For example, L is equal to AEU. If you write L dot insert 2 comma I, it will insert an item I at the position 2 and give the output AEIU. So this is about the insert function. Now pop. The pop function is used to remove the item from the list according to the index. If no index is specified, it will remove the last element. Syntax list dot pop index. If you write S is equal to L dot pop 0, it will remove the first item, that is K. If you write S is equal to L dot pop, here no index is mentioned, so it will remove the last element, that is U. Now the remove function. The remove method remove the first occurrence of a given item from the list. Syntax list dot remove value. Example, L is equal to EIP QA QP, and if you write L dot remove P, it will remove the first occurrence of P and give the output EIQAQP. So it will remove the first P. Now move to the next slide. Now seventh, clear function. This method remove all the item from the list and list become empty. Syntax list dot clear. For example, L is equal to 2 3 4 5. If you write L dot clear, it will remove all the items from the list and list become empty. Now eighth, count. This function returns the count of the item that you passed as an argument. If the given item is not present in the list, it will return 0. For example, L is equal to 13, 18, 20, 10, 18, 23. If you write L dot count 18, it will count 18 in the list and return 2. Next, reverse. It reverses the item of the list. Syntax list dot reverse. Here L is equal to EIQAQP. If you write L dot reverse, it will reverse the list and give the output PQAQIE. Now last one is sort. It sort the item of the list by default in increasing order. So it will arrange the item in ascending order. List dot sort. For example, L is equal to EIA. If you write L dot sort, it will give the output AEI. And if you want to arrange the list in descending order, then you have to write list dot sort in bracket reverse is equal to true. So these are the list function. Thank you.